Hey everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to channel for mastering Salesforce with ease. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a Salesforce tutorial. Today, we're diving into organizing campaigns in Salesforce. If you have ever struggled to keep track of your marketing efforts, this module will be a game changer. By the end of this session, you'll be able to understand how campaign hierarchies help you group and analyze marketing efforts. Describe the different levels of a campaign hierarchy. See how campaign record types make managing campaigns easier. Let's jump in. Margaret, the marketing manager at All Seasons Outdoor Cooking, has realized that her marketing campaigns are all over the place, spread across spreadsheets and notes. Sound familiar? She needs a system that scales with the business and gives her clear insights into what's working and what's not. Enter Salesforce Campaigns. With built-in features to help organize and analyze marketing initiatives, campaigns can turn a chaotic process into a streamlined, data-driven strategy. Let's see how it works. Think of a campaign hierarchy like a neatly structured filing system for marketing. By using the parent campaign field, you can relate campaigns to one another, grouping them in ways that make sense for your business. There are three common ways to structure a campaign hierarchy. 1. By marketing strategy. The top level represents an overall focus, like a new product launch. The second level includes sub-initiatives, such as gathering customer feedback. The third level covers individual efforts like emails or social media ads. 2. By time period. The top level is the annual marketing strategy. The second level breaks it down into fiscal quarters, and the third level tracks individual campaigns. 3. By events. The top level is a major event. The second level includes supporting marketing efforts, and the third level focuses on specific event-related activities, like email invites or webinars. For example, Margaret's campaign hierarchy might look like this. Top level, product marketing strategy. Second level, product launch and customer feedback. Third level, email campaigns, webinars, and demos. This structure gives her a big picture view while allowing her to drill down into specific campaign details. With a campaign hierarchy, data rolls up from child campaigns to parent campaigns. This means that Margaret can easily track total responses, converted leads, and revenue at different levels of her marketing strategy. To create a campaign hierarchy, just 1. Create the parent campaign. 2. Create the child campaign and link it using the parent campaign field. It's that simple. What if you want to track different details for different kinds of campaigns? This is where campaign record types come in. By using record types, you can create custom fields specific to each type of marketing effort. For example, an email campaign record can have fields for the email template used and click-through rates. A demo event record can track venue location, number of staff, and required equipment. This level of detail ensures better tracking, better insights, and better marketing decisions. Quiz time. Let's test your knowledge. Answer these questions in the comments below. Question 1. What information can you see with a campaign hierarchy? A. All the campaign members for the hierarchy. B. How much marketing reps are working on the hierarchy. C. The number of hours of video content in the hierarchy. D. The number of responses in the hierarchy. The correct option is D. Campaign hierarchy results roll up data from child campaigns to parent campaigns, including responses and converted leads. This helps marketers track the success of their efforts across multiple levels. Question 2. What is the most common number of levels in a campaign hierarchy? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The correct option is B. While campaign hierarchies can have up to 5 levels, 3 is the most commonly used structure. It typically includes top level, strategic initiative, e.g. launching a new product. Middle level, major marketing efforts, e.g. product launch, customer feedback. Bottom level, individual marketing activities, e.g. email campaigns, social media ads. Question 3. How do you create a campaign hierarchy? A. Click the hierarchy option on the campaign record. B. Enter a campaign name in the parent campaign field on a campaign record. C. Create the hierarchy in Setup. D. Create a hierarchy record and then add campaigns to the record. The correct option is B. To build a hierarchy, you simply assign a parent campaign to a child campaign using the parent campaign field. This automatically links them together in a structured format. Question 4. What can you do with campaign record types? A. Add marketing assets to campaigns. B. Track campaign member responses. C. Track different details for different kinds of campaigns. D. Report on campaign expenses. The correct option is C. Record types allow you to customize campaign records based on their type. For example, email campaigns might include fields for email templates. Event campaigns can track venue, staffing, and equipment. This flexibility ensures that each campaign type captures relevant details. To recap, campaign hierarchies help organize marketing efforts into structured, trackable categories. Data rolls up, providing big picture insights into campaign performance. Record types allow custom tracking for different kinds of campaigns. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If so, smash that like button and subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more easy to follow Salesforce guides. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy trailblazing.